What historical event? This is a new place.
Oh, the smell.
A new place. Some kind of like hidden gem, but yeah, it's not bad. Peaceful. This is like around 5:30 in the afternoon. It's low tide, people. Low tide. Yep. There you go. Can you recognize? It 15 minutes. $200.
That's a long time.
Yeah, then you enjoyed already your swim. 10 minutes. Done.
10 minutes.
That's an easy money.
Where do I swim?
It's right there on the other side. You kind of like do the Hammond thing. Dip.
I don't want to buy that. And then I saw the Crocs. I'm like, oh, this might be
A better option.
around the same
Oh, wait.
price, right? And then it's like, oh, it's 300. Okay, I'll get that.
Those are group of fishes moving. Come on. Hey. So, and there's a cute chimney right there. Aww. Look. This is the best spot to wait for the full moon. Tonight. Tonight is the night. Look at that house. It's peacefully situated in this place. If that is my house, it's not bad at all because I have the best view of the ocean. Touristy spot. Okay.
Who's Magellan again?
Oh, Magellan. They are tall dogs. Iihi yan nak.
Imagine her any bigger though.
They gonna pee-pee on there. They did? Oh, see? Sabi ko na sa iyo, kuya eh.
So he turned around at the last second. So
Maybe
Yeah.
it was 411.
Yeah.
so he's like, this is...
Yeah. But Joe, firing squad. Oh, huli. 1, 2, 3, trigger! Patay. Binaril siya, kuya.
Around.
That's
He
what she
did!
said.
Kuya, ay nak.
Why are you shooting?
Kuya, pinatay siya kasi ano siya, nanggumbor sa Gomez.
Who killed him? The Spaniards?
Yeah. Yan yung mga Spaniard. Tapos ngayon, bumukang Spanish ang mga Pilipino. Kasi nakapag-asawa na. Yung mga ano, Gomborsa. Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora.
Alright, it's time to go.
Muna yan. Oh, aroy. Okay.
Mom, what did the Bonifacio guy do?
Andres, dito ka na magdaan, kuya. I-push ka namin. Ako. One at a time. Tapos, okay. Ikaw na, Jody. Jody, come on. Jody. Oh, Jody. Ako, Jody, video mo. Mag-end na ako. And now, ladies and
Why is it so zoomed in?
Doon ka banda. Let's see if I can handle this. Ready, set, go. Thank you.
Hey, now I'm holding two phones.
Oh, no. you can. Before we end, this is the culmination of our video. Go. All right, completion. Goodbye, everyone. Have a great day.